welcome. Today's video we are unboxing our ice cream beauty box for December, and then Hard Candy had sent over a PR box, so we're gonna unbox that as well. And we have some Dossier to talk about, so lots of things happening in today's video. So first and foremost, hello, welcome. My name's Shauna, and over here we embrace the hot mess in this judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we keep it cute or put it on mute. And look, it's finally decorated. If you guys had watched some of my videos probably last week, by the time this video goes up, I don't know, maybe a couple days ago, yeah, it's been a little crazy, so we were a little delayed on decorating the tree. And fun fact, all the lights went out on this. How many people are constantly replacing the pre-lit trees, like the lights on the trees? And then you know what else I did? The way I did the lights this year, I did like I saw Jelly Roll's wife, Bunny. She like did them like this versus going in a circle. It was great because I didn't end up making myself car sick, so that was fun. So let's give a huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. Thank you to each and every single one of my YouTube members for helping to support the channel. You don't have to, but you choose to, and I appreciate each and every single one of you all. And a big thank you to those of you clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel. Again, you don't have to, but you choose to, and I just want to say thank you guys so much. And for those of you returning, everybody, thank you guys. Sharing my videos over on Facebook helps me out more than you know, so thank you guys so much. And I do want to say thank you to Dossier for partnering with me in today's video. Now you guys know I've talked about Dossier perfumes and clones for years. I love them. If you are a lover of all things smelly good and you want to grow your fragrance collection without spending an arm and a leg and a left kidney, then definitely make sure to check out Dossier. They have perfume scents for women, men. They have unisex scents as well for a fraction of the cost. For example, this one is inspired by Juliet Has a Gun, and it's called Aquatic Vanilla, and it smells absolutely amazing. This is actually one that you guys had recommended to me. Let me show you a couple of my other ones that I love because I purchase from Dossier all the time. By the way, code Rhonda5 will save you an additional like 5% off your order over at Dossier. This is the Fruity Neroli, is one of my favorites. The top notes are bergamot, neroli, blackcurrant, and strawberry. It's actually listed on the bottle. The more you buy, the more you save. They are having a sale up to like 50% off, and they have prices starting at like $29. And they're, fun fact, sold at some Walmart, and a nice magnetic bottle as well, and they have a wonderful return policy. And for some reason, if the scent doesn't work out for your chemistry, you can actually return it with no questions asked. Another one that I love is the Floral Marshmallow. Oh my gosh, this one is actually inspired by the Killian's Love Don't Be Shy. This smells delicious. Fun fact, this is Rihanna's favorite scent, and I was so excited to be able to find it over at Dossier because you know how expensive the Killian's is. Yeah, don't worry about that. Just go over and check out Dossier. So before we get into today's video, I just wanted to remind you guys of the huge sale going on over at Dossier. These make great gifts, and like I said, if you pick something up for a loved one, a partner, a friend, or whatever, and it doesn't work out, you don't have to worry about it. Thank you to Dossier for partnering with your girl in today's video. They are some of my favorites. I've got a ton. So grow your collection without, you know, breaking the budget. We love that. So check my description box down below to save yourself 5% off your order over at Dossier. And like I said, they have a huge holiday sale going on right now, so you can buy for everybody plus yourself, and you don't have to feel bad about it. We love that. Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and jump real quick into our Hard Candy PR. You can also find Hard Candy at Walmart as well. So this is the Festive and Frosty Make Your Mark. Just swipe and go with these quick drying high impact colors. They're budge proof formula that lasts up to 12 hours. And let's do this pink one because you know your girl loves the pink. You know what I've been seeing a lot of people over on TikTok doing? Getting these kinds of little like pretty pens and everything, and then they just kind of put them like in the corner and then dab them out. I don't know if I can do that. I'm just using this. It is really nice and soft and creamy. Kind of reminds me of like a Laura Mercier. Is that what it is? The caviar sticks? That's actually really pretty. I almost feel like it'd be pretty as like a highlight or in the center of your lips or whatever. But anyways, this particular one that I chose is Pink Ink, and it's the eyeshadow marker shimmer. So I would definitely maybe give them a try. They're nice and affordable. We love affordable. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the Ice Cream Beauty Box for December. They did send this over in PR, so thank you to Ice Cream Beauty Box as well as Hard Candy for sending this over to me. And this is a monthly subscription box. It is very makeup heavy. Code HOTMESS will save you 10% over at Ice Cream Beauty Box. Now, I have no idea because I always love for it to be a surprise. Packaging is always top notch when it comes to Ice Cream Beauty Box. Subscriptions as well as perfumes or what have you would make great gifts. This is the December Happy Holidays. We've got a nice little card to tell us about the products that are in here as well as the retail value of everything. Fun little fact, oh my gosh, I'm so excited over something that I see in here. When it comes to Ice Cream Beauty Box, you're always going to receive a palette in this box. So if you are really wanting to grow your makeup collection, or you have a makeup lover in your life that wants to, grow their makeup collection, this is going to be the subscription box for you. Okay, so first and foremost, we've got another OFRA Cosmetics in the box, which makes me so excited. I am going to set this aside for the giveaway that I am putting together for you all, because I actually have this. Haley and I got to go down to Pompano Beach, which is where OFRA is located, for their launch of the Gone Miami collection. This is the mini lip set. Look how pretty. You get everything from nudes to bold colors. And actually at the holiday event that Haley and I were just at, Haley actually wore this shade. So beautiful. She got so many compliments too. So anyways, love, love, love. And this does have a retail value of $20. It says why pick one color when you can have 4, and you really truly, these will last you too, because it's their liquid lippies. But see, you do get a great amount. These are great, travel friendly, perfect for your purse, you name it. It's OFRA. We love that. Why? Oh, your girl's got a collection with OFRA too, which I do actually have my lip duo on today, and I do have my palette. A cutie kitty? My kitty cat. That's not my kitty cat. It's here. I thought I heard something. I'm like, what was that? It's my kitty cat. Okay, anyways, I have my palette on today. I've got My World on. I'm trying to think if I mixed Fam, Bam, and Soulmate. I think I only have Fam Bam on. Mom Life is on. And then, of course, I've got all my products on here. I love this palette. Code HOTMESS will save you 20%. That is the first item in here. Welcome to the Chitty Chat channel. This next is by ZC and the British Museum. I don't know what this is. So this is actually a highlighter. It's the Angel Highlighter by ZC Cosmetics. It does have a $26 retail value. Ooh, I like this case. It's kind of got like an iridescent to it. And yes, my ring is from Temu. It's gorgeous. So when we went out west, that's what I wore. Isn't that's what I wore. But yeah, around here I wear that. I'm not trying to draw too much attention to myself, okay? Hi, baby kitty. Hi, my little sugar dumpling kitty patootie. She's walk this way. Walk this. Come here, baby. What you been doing? You know I'm about to log you in here so you can give me all the lovins. I love you. She's so good, you guys. Like, she doesn't even bother any of the Christmas trees or anything. Doing, baby cake? She's moody though. She'll be like lovey-dovey, but like then sometimes she's like, ah! I'm like, ooh, okay, I feel you though. I feel you. Look at that. Okay, let's swatch. Okay, I actually am pretty excited with the way this felt. It felt like, that's what I was thinking, very like it was going to give off a very natural radiant glow. Very much reminds me of like an Hourglass diffused light or whatever those powders are called. That's actually really pretty. It is just like a candlelit glow. Look at that. That is going to look stunning not only on your face but on your shoulders, your bolte. I like that. This is also by ZC Cosmetics. It's the Living Colorfully Color Liquid Liner. And it is in, oh, it's it's sealed once again. Well, I don't really want to open it just because I don't want it to dry out. But I would have to assume it's probably in black, which is perfect because Haley, that child, can wing out like something fierce. So I'll put that aside for Haley. Then we have in here a set of 2 of Lip Perfection Be Bella lip liners. How smart is that? This matches perfectly. That is so smart. That is one thing when it comes to Ice Cream Beauty Box. They are matching. Hi, sweet love muffin. Say hi to our friends. Say hi, friends. Okay, those are your liners. Now she's rubbing on the box, guys. This cat. Oh my god. I love her. Oh, you're in a lovey-dovey mood. Okay, so cat owners, tell me, how come they're like lovey-dovey and then all of a sudden she snaps and then she gets grumpy? And then she's like, whoops, sorry, I lost my ish on you. Let me be cute again. Why do cats do that? Because I had a cat years ago that has since passed. He never did that. He was never moody. He was just always a sweet little lovey-dovey kitty. That's the only cat I really can compare. But she, like right now, she's being so cute. But she's being super cute. And that's what she'll do. She'll be super cute. And then all of a sudden she snaps. And then she's like, ah. And I'm like, dang on, okay. But I have my days too, so let me finish my work. So anyways, that's what I started to tell you guys, is when it comes to Ice Cream Beauty Box, they really put a lot of thought into their products where things just make sense. They don't look like afterthoughts. So I definitely really appreciate that. And then last in here, we have the Hearth, and this is by Chantico Beauty, which I know we've had this brand in here before because I remember I couldn't pronounce it and I wasn't for sure if I said it correctly. So, ooh, look how pretty that is. I'm actually gonna just put this aside for you all because I've gotten a lot of palettes lately and I just want to share it with you guys. Look how beautiful that is. I think you guys would really enjoy it. That is really pretty. I love that aura, that green, yellow green. That is so pretty. Oh, I'm sorry. She's like, oh, you're not gonna love on me? I'm out. Girl, don't be out. Don't be out. But yeah, this palette, very, very pretty. I really like this amber shade down here too. I feel like that would mix really well together. With the nude lipsticks, with this highlighter, like, that's what I'm saying. When it comes to Ice Cream Beauty Box, they just really make everything make sense, you know? Like, I never feel like when I'm unboxing this, where I'm like, did y'all just get a good deal on that? You know what I'm saying? Like, I never think things are afterthought. So when it comes to the Ice Cream Beauty Box for December, I think this was a great, great box. Matter of fact, I'm thinking back to my Ipsy, or BoxyCharm by Ipsy box, and I'm like, ooh, this is pretty daggone good. Like, this is giving other boxes a run for their money, in my opinion. So you got some indie brands, you got some mainstream brands. I think you did great, Ice Cream Beauty Box. Thank you so much for sending this over. Thank you to Hard Candy for sending this over. And thank you to Dossier for working with me once again in today's video. Make sure to check out Dossier. Save your money. You don't need to spend an arm and a leg and a left kidney. If you want spicy, but then you want fruity, and then you want sensual, but you don't want to spend $100+ per perfume, I would just go with Dossier, guys. Grow your collection, get your summer scents, get your winter scents, and not have to worry about spending so much money. And like I told you guys, they have an amazing return policy. Look, a Cutie Kitty Sugar Dumplings is back for it. She is here for it. Right, girlfriend? Yeah, see, she approves. So might as well check my description box down below. Check out Dossier. Don't forget to use code RHONDA5 to save yourself 5% over there. If you want to sign up for the Ice Cream Beauty Box, check it out for the new year. Maybe, you know, use it for a couple, or get it for a couple months. Use code HOTMESS. It's not an affiliate code or anything, but it will save you 10% off your first box. And that's all, friends. Thank you so much once again to my YouTube members for helping to support the channel. Thank you to those of you clicking the thanks button. Thank you to Cutie Kitty Sugar Dumplings for coming back and getting some more loving. I love it, kitty, so much. Anyways, friends, thank you guys so much for watching. And I think December's Ice Cream Beauty Box, I think you did great. Alright, I'm hopping off. I'm rambling. I'm going to clean up and give this kitty cat some love. Hair's flying everywhere. Until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye. Yes, I know. I'm allergic to her, but now I'm covered in her hair.
Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang quench without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?